Hello, everyone. My name is Lily. Today is special. Lily, I have a job. Really, Mom? Go to the grocery store. By myself? Yes, you can do it. Buy milk, bread, and eggs.
You can do this.
I will do my best. I can do this. I feel excited today. The weather is beautiful. I am almost there. Wow, this store is big. I can do this. First, I need milk. Then I need bread. I found the milk. One item is done. Now I need bread. I am doing great. I need some apples. These red apples look good. Now I need bananas. I am almost finished. Now I need eggs. My list is complete. Wait, where is my money? I feel a little nervous. Oh, I found my money. It was in my jacket. Hello, Lily. Hello. Hello. I am ready. That will be $18. Here is the money. I did a good job. I am going home. I can see my house. I feel so happy. You did a great job. I did it, Mom. We are proud of you.
I learned many things.
I learned many things. I learned to be brave. See you next time.